program. Some weeks ago, we had a very challenging competition in our micro-objects. As usual, for those who are not here in micro-objects, for the family, I'm explaining what the competition was. I mean, about the whole of the Mojo. We have been divided into 4 teams, as usual. And the teams are Angry Birds, Crazy Frogs, Peppy Pandas, and Hungry Hippos. We had been experiencing a very tight and challenging competition amongst these teams, and definitely this is a D-Day for them. We don't know who will take the title today. Anyway, let's cross our fingers and wait eagerly to witness who will take the title role today. Anyways, next is the dress presentation. Few weeks ago, we had a very challenging competition, and that is a dress designing competition. MOPL was so much thrilled and amazed to see that we have a pool of talented dress designers here. So anyways, I'm not giving you much about this competition, but let us all see what is a dress presentation. So here we go with our next item, dress designing presentation. Micro-objects, the people of micro-objects. How is the designing skill of the people of micro-objects? No, you don't have any suggestion? Why are you so cold? Don't you like Mojo? Did you like the dress presentation here? How is it? Great? Is it amazing? Okay, so the Mojo committee had given the cloth, that is a jute fabric, and the rest was handled by the teams, the 4 teams. So in this auspicious occasion, I would like to invite the main designers of that day. We had 4 main designers during that event, so I would like to invite them onto the stage. I think Simi is one of them, and Nisha is there also, and also the 2 other designers. Please come forward. We want you to give a big round of applause for them. The designers, the 4 dress designers, please come forward because they deserve a very big round of applause. It is their mighty talent. They took a whole day and they took a lot of effort in making this event a grand success. So these are the 4 designers, gifted designers of micro-objects. If Neha is there, please come forward. Neha, please come forward. I should say that these people have a great talent and they have a great future in the designing field. They should not stick on to this engineering field itself, they should move on to the designing field, because you are a great promise to the designing field. Thank you so much. Please, one more great round of applause to these people. Thank you. And now, dear friends, let's hear one more song by Vinay Kumar. I invite Vinay Kumar for a lovely song.
తలపున ప్రభవించినది అనాది జీవన వేదం. ఓ ప్రాణనాడులకు స్పందనను సగిన ఆది ప్రణవనాదం. ఓ కనుల కొలనులో ప్రతిబింబించిన విశ్వరూప విన్యాసం. యద కనుమలలో ప్రతిధ్వనించిన విరించి విపంచి గానం. సరసస్వర సురచరీ గమనము సామవేద సారమిది. సరసస్వర సురచరీ గమనము సామవేద సారమిది. నీ పాడిన జీవన గీతం ఈ గీతం. విరించినై విరచించి తిని ఈ కవనం. విపంచినై వినిపించి తిని ఈ గీతం. ప్రాతిశవీనియ పైన దినకరమయూక తంత్రుల పైన జాగృత విహంగ తతులే వినీల గగనపు వేదిక పైన. ప్రాతిశవీనియ పైన దినకరమయూక తంత్రుల పైన జాగృత విహంగ తతులే వినీల గగనపు వేదిక పైన. పలికిన కిల కిల స్వరముల స్వరగతి జగతికి శ్రీకారము కాదా. విశ్వకావ్యమునకిది భాష్యముగా విరించినై విరచించి తిని ఈ కవనం. విపంచినై వినిపించి తిని ఈ గీతం. ప్రతి శిశుగళమున పలికిన జీవననాద తరంగం చేతన పొందిన స్పందన ధ్వనించు హృదయ మృదంగ ధ్వానం చలించు ప్రతి శిశుగళమున పలికిన జీవననాద తరంగం చేతన పొందిన స్పందన ధ్వనించు హృదయ మృదంగ ధ్వానం అనాది రాగం ఆది తాళమున అనంత జీవన వాహినిగా సాగిన సృష్టి విలాసమునే విరించినై విరచించి తిని ఈ కవనం విపంచినై వినిపించి తిని ఈ గీతం నా ఉచ్ఛ్వాసం కవనం నా నిశ్వాసం గానం నా ఉచ్ఛ్వాసం కవనం నా నిశ్వాసం గానం సరసస్వర సురచరీ గమనము సామవేద సారమిది నే పాడిన జీవన గీతం ఈ గీతం
Invite Jinsby for a very wonderful song.
വാതിൽ പഴുതിയിലൂടെ മുന്നിൽ കുങ്കുമം വാരി വിതറും സന്ധ്യ പോലെ അതിലോലമൻ ഇടനാഴിയിൽ നിൻ കളമധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു മധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു വാതിൽ പഴുതിലൂടെ മുന്നിൽ കുങ്കുമം വാരി വിതറും ത്രിസന്ധ്യ പോലെ അതിലോലമൻ ഇടനാഴിയിൽ നിൻ കളമധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു മധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു ഹൃദയത്തിൻ തന്ത്രിയിൽ ആരോ വിരൽ തൊടും മൃദുലമാം നിസ്വനം പോലെ ഇലകളിൽ ജലകണം ഇറ്റു വീഴും പോലെ അമൃതം അമൃതം തളിച്ച പോലെ തരളവിലോലം നിൽക്കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു ഞാൻ അറിയാതെ കോരിത്തരിച്ചു പോയി അറിയാതെ കോരിത്തരിച്ചു പോയി വാതിൽ പഴുതിയിലൂടെ മുന്നിൽ കുങ്കുമം വാരി വിതറും ത്രിസന്ധ്യ പോലെ അതിലോലമൻ ഇടനാഴിയിൽ നിൻ കളമധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു മധുരമാം കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു ഹിമബിന്ദു മുഖപടം ചാർത്തിയ പൂവിന് മധുകരം നുകരാ മറ്റൊരു സന്ധ്യയായി നീ വന്നു, മറ്റൊരു സന്ധ്യയായി നീ വന്നു. വാതിൽ പഴുതിയിലൂടെ മുന്നിൽ കുങ്കുമം വാരി വിതറും സന്ധ്യ പോലെ അതിലോലവൻ ഇടനാഴിയിൽ നിൻ കളമധുരമാ കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു, മധുരമാ കാലൊച്ച കേട്ടു.
Você me faz dançar do jeito que você quer. Assim vai começar. Vem cá, pra cá. Zumba, Brasil, caipirinha, baila. Zumba, Brasil, caipirinha, baila.
Essa menina de Ipanema va bailando así. Esa menina de Ipanema cuando pasa. Esa menina de Ipanema va bailando así. Esa menina de Ipanema cuando pasa.
Mommy, the way you move your hips, the music pumping like this, your body hitting the beat, me vuelve loca. Mommy, let me know how you feel. This is so good, it's so real. If you give it up to me now, me rompe el coco.
Vai, tem, 1, 2 e 13. Zumba, Brasil, caipirinha, baila. Zumba, Brasil, caipirinha, baila. Ah,
Habibi gala gala yo. Habibi gala gala yo. Habibi gala gala yo. Habibi gala gala yo. Esa menina de Ipanema va bailando así. Esa menina de Ipanema cuando pasa. Esa menina de Ipanema va bailando así. Esa menina de Ipanema cuando pasa.
Mommy, the way you move your hips, the music pumping like this, your body hitting the beat, me vuelve loca. Mommy, let me know how you feel. This is so good, it's so real.
If you give it up to me now,
Me rompe el coco.
vai, tem, 1, 2 e 13. Zumba, Brasil, caipirinha, baila. Zumba, Brasil, caipirinha, baila. Ah,
Habibi gala gala yo. Habibi gala gala yo. Habibi gala gala yo. Habibi gala gala yo.
That's why most of our people in Micro Objects are fit and slim, because they practice Zumba often, right? Anyways, next is a lovely song by Vimal. I invite Vimal onto the stage.
ഒരു സന്ധ്യയിൽ ഈ സൗഹൃദങ്ങളിൽ ഈറനീക്കും കാറ്റേ ഹൃദയങ്ങളൊരുമിക്കും നേരം ഈ ഒരു സന്ധ്യയിൽ ഈ സൗഹൃദങ്ങളിൽ ഈറനണിയിക്കും കാറ്റേ